I've heard someone say, I would better go now sounds fancy, but it's totally wrong. Here's the thing, would rather means preference. For example, I'd rather stay home equals I prefer to stay home, but would better? That doesn't exist in English. People mix it up with had better, which actually means advice or warning. For example, you'd better study equals to you should or there'd be trouble. So remember, would rather equal to choice, had better equal to advice, would better equal to just wrong, say it right, sound right, also full of more.